high altitude balloon burst at 100,000 feet. Now, falling near Mach 1 from the edge of space after you ride shreds may not seem like the best idea, but for us, it's the plan. Now watch the end for the very important part 2 of the plan, putting out the parachute. This house-sized balloon bursts at the edge of space. The vehicle does a tumble, the parachute deploys, now it's 18 miles straight down. One more time, just a little slower. That's the broken off balloon nozzle. And we have a chute. JP Aerospace, America's other space program.